Okay, good morning. Welcome to Berry King Waterproofing. If you've never been to our channel before, click the like button, as we are the hardest working waterproofing channel in all of South Africa. We're here at a project in Serengeti where we're removing the rotten cheese, which is called the torch-on waterproofing, and we're putting a caviar system down, which is our Berry Seal 250. Stay tuned for further videos on progress. As you can see behind me, I have a break between slab roof and clip lock roof system, and you can see behind me how they've used torch-on and really destroyed the sealing process with the torch-on, but didn't realize that the roof gets so hot that it causes that solvent waterproofing torch-on over the clip lock roof to actually start burishing. Have a look at these videos and tell me if that reminds you of your own home. Evident when you see how much water was under the first layer of torch-on, that when we remove the first layer, this is still the bottom layer. So all we're going to do is just spin it around and put this on the inside of the roof and have the other one on the outside. Torch-on waterproofing around cladding, terrible. Okay, this is the first part of the slab roof area. We have applied primer to the surface, however, primer and fabric. However, due to the rain, as you can see, there's still some wet spots. So what we've done now is to increase the curing process of our material. We've applied cement to the surface to absorb the water that's on the surface out, and then we can continue with our next stages of getting this roof 100% waterproofed. However, with the fabric and the primer, the client had reported not a single leak, and yet we had not finished the waterproofing process. Just shows you our quality of material compared to torch-on, for example. Anyways, stay tuned for other videos. Okay, good morning. Welcome back to Berry King Waterproofing. We're here at the sort of semi-final stages of the project. As you can see here, we've removed the torch-on waterproofing, and we've already applied our fabric and our primer. We've still got the 90s and the parapets to do. As you can see, it's still got primer and it's drying, and I still need to complete through these other areas over here. We're now at the stage of this particular roof where we've applied primer and fabric, and we've put one coat of our Berry Seal 250. However, we still need to complete the parapet tops. We've done the 90s going all the way around, and then this is our finishing product. Obviously still requires one more coat, and we're basically done with half the area of the house. Great quality material, maintenance free, can handle 100% ponding water, and that's the route you want to go, especially when you know that your screed slope design may not be correct, and with this material, whatever water sitting on the roof will potentially just evaporate if your slope design is incorrect. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, this section here, we've already applied primer, fabric, and first coat. The guys are now going to start applying second coat, but they're now coming from the opposite side, that side of the house, on the slab areas, to this side to apply second and final coat. As you can see, around the cladding before, there was never any plaster bead to have the waterproofing against. It was just torch-on directly to the cladding. And here you can see they've already applied primer and fabric, and it's still going through the drying out phase before we go to the next stages. You can see the precision of our work running all the way across versus sticking a guy with a gas bottle and torch on. You can see these areas here as well. Nice, clean, crisp. Reconstructing the entire clip block roof around the side walls, head walls. Okay, the gutter system had large ponding water and wasn't flowing towards the outlet, and now we've reconstructed all the weak areas around the clip block roof, which includes the cladding and the middle sheeting, where we've now already applied our fabric and our primer, and we've still got to do 2 coats of waterproofing on top of that.